What's up guys, today we're gonna be mastering Paul, as I said in the last video of Block Streets. Why am I lagging this much? So please make sure to like and subscribe, and well, let's get into it. Gamertal can join us because he lost his account. He forgot the password. I don't know how the hell that happens, but yeah. Let's go master Paul first home. Why is the server so laggy? Usually I'm and if you didn't see how we got Paul's second form, just go watch on the last video. You'll see it. You know what? I'm gonna skip. I'll see you guys when we have the first move. Okay? Grab these. So okay, guys. I'll see you in the next. Not in the next one. I'll see you guys when I have the first move. So guys, I finally got the first move on Paul's second form. I'm not getting laggy, but it's like a type of lightning. I just figured out it's a type of lightning sword. Just hop, and it's like a. It launches lightning, but I saw something. If you like look down, right, and you summon one of these. Oh wait, that's what I did on that one. You have to summon it like on the right of you or the left. You have to summon it like there. How did it last? Let me transform. Maybe I can do it then. I took the Paul's second form. Just zoom out. I did like something like this. How did I do it? Let me check. Did the ability just load in for me? So but usually I did it like it would land right in front of me, and it will land like there. Like it did like two lightnings. You know what? Dogs are going wild out here. But yeah. Now I just need 350 more to just get the second ability. That's gonna take long. So I'll see you guys when I have that move, and so guys, I just had to cut the video because my dogs made too much noise. But so I'm gonna cut the video because to get until I get the next ability, electric prison, and then after I got the electric prison, we're gonna PvP with Paul's second form. Try to make a combo, but please stay tuned, and well, I see you guys when I have the second move.